case to pieces or unbolt it all anyway. So he's got quite a nice case. Not really what I would have gone for, but alright. So we're pulling the front, we've already pulled the front panel off, just pulled the back panel off, and these are the fan light controllers that are sitting in the back. Once again, not what I would have had for a while. So we pull out the bundle pack that came with that. We're probably going to need them later. That, yeah, we're just going to check the power supply. I always start with the power supply. This is the power supply we're using. It's a Corsair power supply. Once again, I'm going to speed this up because I just don't think you'll want to see it here and watch me put in a power supply. We have had this running now, and the power supply is very quiet and it does the job pretty much, which is exactly what you want out of it. This one came with fixed cables in it, and in a minute you'll see where that can come in as an issue if you don't, have a look at what you're buying. It appears my brother just followed a tutorial, I'm guessing, to buy these parts. He's not really supply looks good from the back of the case. It's the back panel that hides all the wires, and you do need to take the back panel off. Now it's mounted in place with just quite simply 4 Phillips screws. It isn't too hard to put in, and as it's not a modular battery, it's not a modular power supply, so you have to put it in with all the cables on, obviously. And this, once again, produces some issues trying to hold on to the cables in such a short space while trying to screw in, and while trying to hold the cable at the same time. So it's screwed in, as you can see, and it fits nicely in the base of the case. And this leads us to our next part. Now, once I have actually tightened it all up, one all the way up and then So we're moving on now to the motherboard. This is the motherboard he's using. Quite a good motherboard. And once again, I'm going to go fast with this. At the minute I'm checking to see how exactly Now, I did on the front manage, as you can see here, to hide most of the blue SATA cable in the cable management voids and tuck it right under. So this is the RAM we're going for, or he's gone for, and this is him lighting it up for the fun of it whilst I'm trying to put the case together. And it does change colours, which once again isn't my favourite thing. Now, we did get this up and running, as seen here, with everything in, and it runs nice and quietly, and we did get some benchmarks on it, but unfortunately we didn't write them down. So I hope you enjoyed this computer build. It was a strange mystery build. I told him I'm not doing it for him again. If you liked the video, hit the likes button. If you didn't, you know to hit. These videos you might enjoy. And until next time, see you later.